36. Yeah.
Hey Bill, where do you rank Asteroids as a high scorer? Do you rank that above Donkey Kong or?
Oh, you know, it's weird. Donkey Kong's really popular, and people have been, going after the score, and they're fighting over who's first place all the time.
Right.
But with Asteroids, no one's done it since back then, and it does seem to be the most revered score in classic gaming history.
Really?
That's what he's taking down.
Number one.
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
Stack them chips, Johnny.
I can't. It's too hard.
Yeah, you can.
I've been trying. I felt okay after day 2. I felt, hey, that's normal 36. I felt a little bit more tired than normal because I didn't get enough sleep ahead of time. And then going into this morning, around, I think it was 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock were some bad times. 3 o'clock was the first time I was like, kind of tired, I got through that, and I got through that. 6 o'clock is when Bill Carlton called and said he was coming over in Ken House, and it was like, oh man, I'm glad they're coming over because they're going to slap me around to keep me up. And 9 o'clock came, and I had to have an energy drink because it felt like my eyes went. And I'd wake up and I'd be like, hey, I'm playing Asteroids.
We're here because John Mcallister is about to break the all-time Asteroids marathon record of 41,300,000. He's been playing for 54 hours or more. Takes breaks to run to the bathroom and loses about 5 to 8 ships.
Yeah, you can turn it on. You can turn on every light you can find, but it still ain't going to give you enough light. That's all I'm saying.
The main reason is there's
we can,
autofocus.
we can probably bring in a lamp somewhere.
Make sure he's not falling asleep in there.
Yeah, somebody make sure that you don't fall asleep. Somebody go hold it for him.
1, 2, 3, not it.
Yes, please.
How many times does he usually die while he's in the bathroom?
Well, he's already lost too many.
He's got plenty.
How many points do you need to make an extra man? 10,000.
I heard 10,000 on the chat rooms.
Yes, 10,000. Pretty good.
All right, man, come on now. No showing off. Holy shit! Come on, man.
Down to like 12 lives.
No pressure.
I had to pee for like an hour.
There you go. There you come.
Get to it.
Get to it, huh?
What are we doing? You're playing Asteroids.
How do you play this again?
Don't grab the first hammer.
Oh boy. I saw some weird stuff, and I thought some weird stuff. I actually thought there was somebody standing next to me. His name is Scott Harold. When I was over there playing Asteroids, I knew he wasn't there, but every time I looked over, I had to, kind of. And over to my left, I thought there was like one of those Ninja Gaiden dolls or something kind of climbed on the one of the machines. And I literally did not understand how the board was working. Saucers were coming out to me in 4 corners of the grid, and there was like a box, and so I had to shoot my shots into this box to destroy the saucers. And so I was just losing man after man, and I was doing these weird patterns, and at that point I'm going, oh boy, I'm thinking maybe the whole thing is over.
You get so nervous trying to get to that extra point, but right at that last point you think you're gonna beat it, but at the last moment all the work that you've gotten is going to end, and you're going to die.
Were you guys worried when he went down to 2?
Yeah. But we still are.
So it's not like he's just freezing up because it's getting close.
No, well, and he's just freaking out. His brain's fried.
Yeah.
He was picking it off pretty good earlier. So certain saucer, yeah. He was picking off the rocks, picking them off 2 at a time.
How many points for the flying saucer?
1,000.
Oh,
That's
so
why
it's
you do
10
this.
to-
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Saved his balls.
He's so quick.
I am seeing.
Watching Asteroids on computer monitors. Almost 1,000. 983
Wasn't it
viewers.
just like 600?
Just went over 1,000.
Just 1,004.
Holy crap.
So, who's the founder of Asteroids? Bushnell?
Of Atari.
Nolan Bushnell? He was watching.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
And he went, uh-oh.
3,000. Let's score some points here.
2,000. I'm gonna try.
1,000. 1,000.
I wasn't there, man.
Oh, my telephone.
High score.
Yeah, I scored.
Just broke the record of Asteroids. Yes. Yes.
Now they enter my name.
Are you giving up?
Shoot it,
I'm giving up.
He is done.
I'm done. Done.
Good enough.
And another going.
Yeah.
All right. Finally.
Somebody get this man a beer.
Stand in front of the camera.
Don't.
Stuff right
Knocks me around.
in the head.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm worried about that. That towel modification.
Well, I played yesterday without it, or the day before, and I got bruises.
I'm about to hit it just in time.
Yeah, it hurt.
Okay, so drug test. And somebody's got to get the machine.
Yeah, they said, did you guys film the inside of the
We
machine?
have not filmed the machine yet.
All right.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah, Jordan.
Where do you get wanted?
He's been through this.
Hang on, hang on, hang on.
Oh no, we'll call back later.
We'll call back. So, what the fuck are you doing? Haven't you done this before? We have to get the machine so that we can get the inside of the machine. You haven't done this
Not with
before,
this
like 47 times. You haven't had to film the inside of a machine.
Did you feel like you were just getting so close to not being able to do it that you might not?
I thought you might get revitalized when you hit the record to just keep going for a little bit more.
No. Not after that. Because it was like, all I did is I went in the bathroom, I went to pee,
let me pass you
I
over
came
here.
back out, and I just knew I just had to play a little bit longer, and I came out and I just went donk, 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 donk.
Phone call.
Thank you.
I'd give you something, but then you wouldn't pass your drug test.
Howdy, Chris.
Wait till after.
And then, so yeah, when I came down to those last 2 men, where I'm going, holy cow, I'm performing in front of everybody. They're going to think that I'm doing this stuff for show. And I'm just going, holy cow. If I blow it here, I mean, I just... So, luckily there's something inside of me that could still tick in or engage. And
You're a machine.
Yeah.
it kicked in and took over and did what I was supposed to do. And I'm hoping that this brings it back to the younger generation, you know, because games today are all about graphics and waypoints and save points. Back then, no, it's about figuring out the game, and there's a lot of camaraderie. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the show. I really, I didn't think this thing was going to be this big, and I think it's cool. I hope it does something for classic gaming.
At what point does that, like, where is the fun?
You know what is good about
What
that?
video games, of all the video games you've actually broken records on, which one is still fun for you to play?
Definitely not Asteroids anymore. Absolutely not. 'Cause I remember first time I ever played that when I was a kid. That was the greatest game ever. It was just flat out cool. You know, the sounds, the explosions. But of course, you know, once you learn how to play it, then a lot of the mystery is gone.